In today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a barbell bicep curl. This is a great exercise that targets the biceps. Now, when doing this exercise, the only thing you need is a barbell like this. Now, there's different types of barbells out there. The one I'm using is a free-loaded barbell. I can place any type of weighted plate on this barbell that I desire. So, if you're going to use a barbell like this, definitely make sure once you finish loading up your barbell that you have the safety clip also inserted onto it as well, so the weights doesn't fall off when performing the exercise. Now, if you don't have the free-loaded barbells, you can always use the fixed barbells, okay? Now, when demonstrating the exercise, the only thing you need to do is go ahead, pick up the barbell. I'm going to have a closed grip when I'm performing this exercise, so right here, all right? I'm going to go ahead, roll the shoulders back, have a slight bend in my knees, push the butt out so I have a strong athletic stance, all right? Have my arms fully extended, keep the elbows nice and tight to the body, and then go ahead, bring the barbell up, just like this, okay? This is how you do this exercise, nice and slow. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead, show you how the exercise looks from this side. So like I said before, feet straight, slight bend in knees, push the butt out, roll the shoulders back, and also keep the chest up. Elbows close to the body, nice and slow on the way up, just like that. Okay? This is how you do a barbell bicep curl.